Watch me. Dragon off! Dragon off!
Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome to a new video. And in this video I'm gonna show you how you guys can use your smartphone as a webcam if you guys don't wanna buy a new webcam. So let's get started. So first of all, on your smartphone, go to your Play Store and download DroidCam. It is an app that will gonna help you convert your smartphone into webcam. After downloading the DroidCam app, give all the permissions and then go to your computer, then go to Google and type DroidCams. After that, click on the first link and then download Windows client. It is only available for Windows and it does not support anything else. So after downloading and installing the app, go to your app and open it and then select the USB option. After that, go to your phone setting and enable developer option and then turn on USB debugging. And after that, refresh it and then your device should appear and then start, and just like that your smartphone has become your new webcam. And I hope that this video helps you and you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions related to this video, you can ask me in the comment section and I will gonna see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no